Now, you can take the Delhi Metro even if you are a few pegs down, not that we are recommending it. But 3 days after the CISF said it would introduce breathalyzers to stop drunks from boarding metro trains, it has shelved the plan. Sonal Mehrotra finds out if this U-turn is putting the passengers at risk.
Drunk and driving, an absolute no-no. But now, is being drunk in a metro also a crime? Earlier this week, Delhi Metro started a pilot project saying if you drink, then rethink your commute. Their logic, this would put an end to drunken brawls and make the Delhi Metro much safer. But the Delhi police disapproved. Their contention that these metro boost tests would mean that there would be more drunk people driving on the streets of the national capital.
If you don't allow a drunk person in a metro, he will be on the road. There is no safety. But in metro, we can see there is police, there is metro security also. It will be more safe for a drunk person and for the society.
People who drink are not rapists or psychopaths.
If they don't get on the metro and they don't get on the, they are not driving, how do they travel?
Educating people more on how they should be more responsible when they are indulging is something which is needed.
With the proposal coming under massive criticism, the Delhi Metro had to take a U-turn. They have now come to a compromise. So if you're a few drinks down, it's going to be okay. But, and there is a big but, they're not completely doing away with alcohol tests. Breath analyzers will be present as a deterrent. Interestingly, in no other country in the world is public transport forbidden after drinking. What is the case of India, particularly New Delhi, going to be any different?
Security for women is prime, and without any second thoughts, men and women should be prohibited from traveling in metros while drunk.
They should be banned without any consideration from being traveling in a metro if they're drunk.
I won't be very comfortable sitting next to a person who is drunk.
The doors of Delhi Metro are open for you, but the message is loud and clear. Mind the gap between bingy drinking and responsible drinking. In New Delhi with camera person Suresh, I am Sonal Mehrotra for NDTV.